Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable full screen in Zoom Meeting. This feature maximizes your viewing area and helps you focus entirely on the meeting content without any distractions from your desktop or other applications. First, you'll want to open your Zoom app on your computer. Once it launches, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields to access your Zoom account. This step ensures you're authenticated and ready to join or host meetings. After logging in successfully, the next step is to join a meeting. You can do this by clicking on the Join button if you have a meeting ID or by selecting a scheduled meeting from your list. Simply click to enter the meeting room. Once you're inside the Zoom meeting, you'll need to navigate to the upper right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the View button. Look for it carefully as it's typically positioned in the top toolbar alongside other meeting controls. Click on this View button to reveal a drop-down menu with various display options. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several viewing modes available. Go ahead and select full screen from these options. This action will immediately expand your Zoom meeting window to occupy your entire screen, eliminating any borders, taskbars, or other distractions. The full screen mode is particularly useful when you want to immerse yourself completely in the meeting, whether you're watching a presentation, participating in a workshop, or having an important video conference. In full screen mode, all the meeting controls remain accessible. You can still use features like mute, video settings, and screen sharing, but they'll appear as overlays when you move your mouse. This ensures you maintain full functionality while enjoying the expanded viewing experience. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled full screen mode in your Zoom meeting. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your meeting experience by providing a cleaner, more focused view of all participants and shared content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.